This is going to be a video tutorial on how to browse in private mode on LinkedIn. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into the LinkedIn website. To enable or disable private mode, what private mode does, if you click on somebody's profile, it will tell them that you have visited their profile. If you want to not tell them that you visited their profile, if you want to go into private mode, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy and click on Settings and Privacy. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Visibility. Then on the center pane, the very top thing, profile viewing options, you might want to change that, and you might want to change page visibility. I'm going to start off with profile viewing options. As you can see, by default it's set to, it gives them your name and your headline if you visit their profile. I'm going to click on it. Profile viewing, select what others see when you've visited their profile. By default it's probably set to the top thing, your name and your headline. If you toggle on the middle one, it will give some information to the person that you have viewed their profile. If you toggle on the bottom one, private mode, it gives no information about who has visited their profile. I'm going to click the back arrow. Then I'm going to go to page visibility. As you can see, mine is currently turned on. I'm going to click on it. It says page visibility. Do you want to allow organizations to see that you have visited their LinkedIn page? By default, it's probably set to on, but if you turn that off, then organizations will not be able to see that you have visited their page. That is how to browse on LinkedIn in private mode. Thanks for watching.